Hi, so I'm back with another video. I'm going in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking Heat, and I'm using that as my transition color. I already primed my eyes with my Maybelline eyeshadow base, and I put moisturizer on. It's the Cetaphil moisturizer. Then I'm going in with Fire, and I'm gonna put that on the outer V of my eye and then blend it up to my crease, like halfway though. I'm not like going all the way. And yeah, and I'm blending it in with the transition shade I used. Then I'm taking So Warm, and I'm gonna put that in the same place that I put Fire, and I'm just using windshield wiper motions to blend that in. Not windshield wiper motions, like circular motions to blend it in. And I'm not using much of that color because I don't want to like overpower the red. And I actually took So Warm and Rich. I like blended the colors and put that on. Then I'm going in with my Beauty Glaze Be Gorgeous palette, and I'm taking that cranberry red shade, and I'm just doing the same. Well, not really. I'm actually putting it like deeper in my eye socket and just kind of blending in windshield wiper motions and in circular motions. But I'm just kind of keeping it more on my outer V. I'm not blending it up into my crease as much. And I'm putting that color to like bring more red back to the look. Then I'm going back in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking Brunette, and I am going to put that more on my outer V and then kind of like blend it out and up into my crease just a little bit. Like I said, I didn't want to lose the red, so when I went into the browns, I just kind of went into them lightly. Then I'm going in with Toast, and I'm just blending that like I did with the brunette color, and I'm just focusing that mostly on my outer V, and then like slightly blending it up into my crease. Like I used this color like very lightly. Like I said, I just didn't want to overpower the red. Then I'm going in with my LA Colors Ice Pigment. It's the silver color. And these colors just do not have names, so I don't know. It's just the silver color. And I'm just putting that all over my lid. Well, not all over my lid, but like halfway on my lid. I don't know. You see what I'm doing. And I'm just blending more, because sometimes when you put shimmer shades, they like get into your crease. So then I'm taking my Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner in black, and I'm just gonna line my eyes and do wings. Then I'm taking my Maybelline gel pencil, and I'm just putting that in my waterline. I always use black, so I decided to use a lighter color today. Then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, and I'm just coating my lashes before false lashes. Then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Prep Primer, and I'm just putting that on the sides of my cheeks and on my nose. And the lashes I'm using are Miss 3D Lash M190. Then I'm taking my Morphe lip pencil in Hoova, and I'm just lining my lips with that, and I'm going to fill in my lips with that too. I really like the Morphe lip pencils. I have another one. It's called Bar, and they're just like really creamy and smooth, and it like applied like a lipstick. And I thought I would have had to like go in with my NARS little lipstick, but I didn't, because it's so pigmented. But yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope whoever watches this enjoys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And I hope you enjoyed this look. And I'll see you in the next video.